Good morning, you guys. What's up? It's your girl Mel back again on my Soapbox channel to give you guys yet another video. What we're doing today is I'm gonna do like a really mini short tutorial and more so just tell you guys what I use to do my nails, and then the next time that I redo my nails I'll do like a step-by-step from the beginning tutorial for you guys. But it kind of was an afterthought while I was doing my nails already. I was like, oh, should have filmed this, but it's okay because like I said, we will be back for another updated one in about 2 to 3 weeks. Oh, I don't know, but yeah, I'll be back for sure to give you guys a step-by-step. But for now, how are you guys feeling? If you are subscribed, hello, thank you, family. And if you're new here, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And you go ahead and subscribe as well because we're awesome on this channel and we pretty much meet up every single day. So it's just like, why wouldn't you want that kind of consistency in your life? So first thing that we're going to talk about is which nails do I have. I have the egg basket. I got these from Amazon and I have my Amazon link. So make sure to check out my Amazon link store. It will have these and other recommendations for nails if you guys are looking to get something from Amazon. So I'm going to show you guys what comes inside. So it comes with all these nails. You have basically 0 through 9 and they're all different sizes. So 0, this is an 8, a 5. And what I did, I recommend this. Okay, so basically when you find which nails work best with your nails, like what sizes fit best, to avoid you having to do the most if you don't have like one of those carriers, because if you have like a case for your nails, then you could just put the ones that you're using and which ones and put them in order. But like I know that this is my pinky. 9 is my pinky size, so I put pinky on there so I don't have to like fumble back through and try to, you know, figure out which nails did I use that time. Or say I break a nail and one pops off and I need to put another one on and I don't know where the nail is. I'll be like, okay, this is this nail, this is my pinky nail, so I'm going to pick up 9. It just saves you time, trust me, especially when you're not planning to have to redo your nails but like something happens. But yeah, so egg basket, highly recommend. These were super affordable. I think they were only 12. I got these a long time ago, but I think they were somewhere between $12 and $15. So I think that that's very, very cheap. What kind of nail glue do I use? I have bought one of these. It's going to probably be recommended if you buy the egg basket, but I just got one of these. It really doesn't matter what kind of glue you have, but I also have like Kiss. If you're a name brands person, get you some Kiss glue off the internet. And basically what you do, you find your nail size. So I would get this nail out and then you really only need like a drop. A drop, yeah, is good. 2 drops can be good too, but it's going to be a lot. So less is more when you're dealing with the glue. And obviously take that nail and press it wherever you want it to be. These are not the kind, these are not tips, so you won't need any acrylics or anything like that. This is the whole deal, the whole kit and caboodle, the whole nail right here for you. So yep, like I said, you'll 2 little drops. Let me try to be more specific since I'm not doing a tutorial right now. Like this is a nail, so if I was about to put this nail on right here, droop, droop, and then I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna press it on until you know it's dry. I recommend to hold it for at least 30 seconds. At least 30 seconds and you'll be fine for sure. After you go through and put on all of your nails, make sure that you're being mindful when you do it as well, like, because once you put it on there, you're not really going to be able to shift it. So if you put on, especially if you put too much glue, you have like 2-3 seconds to really like slide that nail on there and put it in position. Otherwise you're going to have a super crooked nail, and what you don't want to do is have to keep taking these off while you're putting them on. So just be mindful when you're doing it, not to be talking or looking another way when you're putting on the nails, because you want to make sure that they're going to be straight. I actually out of all my nails, this one to me is kind of crooked, and I just had to be like, forget it, like I'm just gonna work with it this time. But you know, other than that, all of them are pretty good. Something that I do too, this is an extra step, is well, you're gonna need an emery board. Make sure that you get an emery board too when you check out wherever you're getting your nails from. And basically on the top, like usually there's like a little bump right there, like it was connected to another nail. So you have to obviously file those down, file the tops down. And I've done all different kinds of shapes. Like if you want your nail shorter, all you have to do is just get your fingernail clippers, clip it, and then file the shape the way that you want it to, and vice versa. I've done round tips, I've done stiletto, I've done pointy, I've done it all. So as long as you have the patience to sit there and do it, then you're good. But that step is really not necessary. For instance, this time I did not cut the nails. So this is how they are. Just this is the length that they come, and all I did was just file down the tops so that the nubs are gone, and then I gave them like a little bit more of a coffin shape. Not much, but I did go in and like each nail and kind of file inwards towards the top. Like, you know, I'll be on the sides and the tops until you get the nail shape that you desire. Or like I said, you could skip all that nail stuff, and if you want to just get off the tops like I did, then bam, quick set. All right, next thing you're gonna want to do is do your nail polish. I chose, I'm not gonna go get it, but I got a nail polish. This is actually metallic, and I can actually do this part with you guys because I haven't done my top coat yet. So here we go. So after I put on my nail polish, this will be the next step. Put on your top coat. Your top coat is just gonna help you to last longer, but honestly your nails are already gonna last so much longer because, you know, it just works better on fake nails for some reason. The reason why I broke down and even did my nails was because I kept painting my natural nails, and I'm like, this is lasting like a whole 30 minutes before it gets messed up, you know. And you just have to wash your hands. Y'all know what's going on around the world. So yeah, I'm just doing my top coat, and these nails get a little bit darker after you put a top coat on there. If I would have did this right when I did it the first time, they would have been an even like deeper metallic color. So yeah, I'm gonna let that dry. And basically, yeah, it's really super easy, you guys. And if you want to decorate, like, you could easily just invest in some nail art decoration, and you can do whatever you want. There's also a cool set that I want to try. They have those gel kind where basically you put the gel into like the nail mold, and then you put it onto your nail, and you can like put stuff in the nails. But I feel like that's a little bit more involved, but I would be interested in doing it because I know that I could do it and do it well. But I'm just gonna stick with these nails for now because I don't want to waste them, and I've had these for a while, and then I started going back to the shop. So yeah, sorry guys, I'm just painting my nails, doing a top coat for the other side so I don't have to wait forever for this side to dry afterwards. Also, how was you guys' day? I took a day off. Hopefully you didn't miss me too much. I took a day after 420 to like actually have a chill day because I realized like I haven't took no days off, which is fine. But at the same time, it's like, girl, take a break. Take a break. You can do it. While we're here and we're drying, I want to redirect your attention to the link below. My Amazon link is where you can find these nails and this glue that I've used, and then some of my other suggestions, things that are super easy, super beginner friendly. If you are not, you know, that coordinated with your hands and stuff, I wouldn't recommend going with the gel versions first, where you like the ones I was talking about where you can fill it in. But I'll put those on there too for those of you who are popping like that. Yeah, and then we can all just have our nails done in the quarantine together. So cute. But yeah, so check my Amazon links down below, and then also I'm going to include my savings apps. You guys know that we're on a mission to financial freedom on this channel alongside everything else that's going on. So make sure to get your Digit, get your Robinhood, get your Acorns app, invest in yourself, save in your future. This is investing in yourself as a form of self-care. But another self-care is finances and saving. So if you want to get more into that, I have videos on my channel about that. But make sure to go ahead and just check out those links regardless. And give me a big fat thumbs up for, showing you guys how to do your nails in the quarantine. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, there's really not too much more to see, but this will be my end result. Oh, I'm gonna do a really cute Abby. So, all right, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and to subscribe. Also, the nails that I've used are in the description box below, so check that out and click on the Amazon store. Bye.